Alright class, so dito sa tutorial na to, I'll be showing you how to upload your content sa inyong Google Drive so that I can check one by one na kahit hindi na kayo mag-send sa akin na PM directly sa Facebook kasi kung minsan kapag malaki yung video, it will not able to send it. So mas maganda kung Google Drive, at least doon, intact yun at saka mas madali ko siyang i-check. So, sinendan ko kayo ng link sa Google Forms to fill out yung inyong mga name, first name, especially yung email address na ibibigay ninyo dapat valid. Kasi yun kasi yung kukunin kong email address na i-register sa Google Drive para ma-open nyo yung kanya-kanyang folders ninyo. So I'll be showing you one folder dito sa Google Drive. For instance, na-send nyo na sa akin yung email address ninyo and then na-share na rin. All you have to do is just to go to your Facebook account doon sa ating Google Drive. Ito, kunyari ayan. You have to click that so that you can open yung kanya-kanyang folders natin. So, pag-click natin dyan, so you have to use your what do you call this? Yung inyong email address na binigay nyo sa akin. So after that, pag nakalagin na kayo, pupunta kayo doon sa Google Drive ninyo, no? And then you will be going to see this kind of application. Okay? So dapat dun sa account ko. Ayan. Diyan sa account ko na yan, makikita natin yung folders na shinare ko, yung drive na nakalagay na physical science. Ito. So once na-click na nyo naman yung link doon sa inyong messenger, ang makikita nyo kaagad, ito kaagad na folders ang makikita nyo kaagad. No? So dyan sa ilalim, sa bandang right side, sa lower right hand side, sa pinakababa, may makikita kayo dyan na shared, files, start, at saka home. So ang gagawin lang ninyo, whether to click the shared, no? Pag wala dyan sa shared, punta kayo doon sa files. Dalawa lang yan na pagtitingnan ninyo. So once na nakita nyo na yung folder na physical science, click that. And then, you have to click one by one. I mean like, you have to select your respective section. So, for this sake of the tutorial, I will be giving an example. So, yung kunyari sa akin, doon tayo sa teacher. No, pag-click ko sa teacher, no, pag kayo din, pag-click nyo sa section ninyo, makikita nyo na kaagad dyan yung mga maraming folders na isa-isa. So, syempre, pipiliin ninyo yung inyong folder. Kasi gagawin ko kayo ng kanya-kanyang folder ninyo. And then, kapag nag-select kayo ng ibang folder, hindi rin naman ninyo may bibigyan or di rin naman nyo ma-open yun kasi wala kayong access. You will be only given an access dun sa inyong folders. So, since ito, kunyari may access tayo rito sa folder na to, you have to open this folder. Gagawin lang ninyo, so this folder is empty. You have to click the plus sign dyan sa baba. Sa lower right hand side ng inyong cellphone, click nyo yung plus sign. So you have to click the plus, and then you will be going to select what kind of instructions na gagawin. So syempre, since mag-upload kayo ng file, so you have to click upload. And then from the upload, and then you have to choose kung ano na yung video. Kunyari, ito yung video na gusto kong i-send. Yan. Ito yung gusto kong i-send dyan sa aking folders. So once na natapos na yung sending yan, automatically, I can easily check your work. So ganun lang yung gagawin ninyo, no? So you have to upload your video sa kanya-kanyang folders ninyo via Google Drive. So since ginawan ko naman kayo ng kanya-kanyang folder ninyo, and then yung email address ninyo na ibinigay ninyo sa akin through Google Forms, yun yung magiging access ninyo. That's why kinuha ko yung mga respective accounts ng email address ninyo para i-shared ko at mabigyan kayo ng access. So, this will take a matter of time to upload, no? Kasi baka mamaya malaki yung file, no, to upload. So, ganyan. So, you just wait this file to upload para makomplete lahat. Okay? So, since I guess the file is already been uploaded, kapag halimbawa inopen nyo yung file na yan, so I can easily check. So, yan yung bundok ng so, ito yung video na sa Caraballo Mountains, dugtong ng Maliko. Okay? So, ganyan lang ang pag-upload ng file sa Google Drive ninyo. So, all you need to do is just to make sure that you have a Google Drive application sa inyong cellphone. If you don't have that, download that to the Google Play. Pero automatically naman kasi, by default ng inyong phone, meron na yan. So, you have to look sa Google Drive application lang dyan sa cellphone ninyo. Alright? So, I guess, you have to check this out. Follow the step. If you're having difficulty, paulit-ulit nyo lang tingnan. No? And then that's it. Okay? If you're having difficulty accessing your account, just reach out. Sabihin sa akin. Baka mamaya ibang email address pala yung binigay nyo sa akin, and then ibang email address din pala yung nilalagin ninyo. Of course, hindi nyo talaga mabubuksan yan. Dapat same account. Okay? So, until next time. So, dito lang muna.